Assalamu alaikum. This is Numan. Hope you all are fine. And today in this video we will learn some other basic tasks related to sales tax in QuickBooks. So after launching our QuickBooks, we are at our home page, and first of all what we will learn is that how to assign a specific sales tax to a customer. So go to customers and select any of your customer. For example, here we can select a new customer, Ali Moin. Go to sales tax settings, and here you can specific tax. For example, here I'm going to select Punjab government sales tax. So whenever we will sell any of our product to our customer Ali Moin, we will deduct Punjab government sales tax, which we will pay to our Punjab government later. Select OK. Now to check if it's working or not, we can make a new invoice. So go to your home page, click create invoices, and select your customer Ali Moin, and here you can see Punjab government sales tax is already here in our invoice because we have already enabled this sales tax in our customer center information. So this is how it works. And now we will learn that how we can create a customer exempt from sales tax. So for this, again we have to go to our customers, select any customer, go to sales tax settings, and here in the first bar where it is written as tax, you can select non-taxable sales and it will be displayed as non. Now this customer Azhar Ali is exempt from sales tax. To check either it is working or not, you can again make an invoice. Go to your home, select create invoice, select your customer Azhar Ali, select some product, and now you can see that in your last tax column it is written as non-taxable for both the products, and at the bottom of your invoice it is also zero sales tax, and here in the customer tax code section it is also non-taxable. So this is how it works. Now this your customer is exempt from sales tax. Click save and close. Now we will learn that how to make a sales tax group, which will consist of different sales tax items in a single item. So go to your items and services, click new item, select sales tax group, write any group name. For example, here we can write sales tax for customers in Lahore. And now you can see that the total group rate is 25%, which is a sum of 17% and 8%, and just click OK. And now we can check that is it working or not. So we will go to our home page, Let's create an invoice. Select any of your customer, for example Ali Moin. Select quantity, and here you can select sales tax for customer in Lahore. You can see that the sales tax rate is 25%, which is a combined effect of both Punjab provincial sales tax and federal sales tax. And you can just save and close. So till now we have learned nearly everything related to sales tax except the last thing, which is how to pay sales tax. For this we have to visit manage sales tax, and here in the section pay and prepare sales tax, here you will have to go sales tax liability. Here it is your sales tax report, which will tell you that how much tax you have charged till now to your customers and how much tax you have paid to your tax agencies and how much sales tax is still payable to your tax agencies. Here you can select the time period of which you want to see the sales tax report. So here I will select the date today. It's 17th April. Click on refresh. Here complete sales tax report is now in front of you, and the first column is telling you about all your sales tax, and the next column is total sales, the next is non-taxable sales, and the next is taxable sales, and here is your tax rate of your different agencies, that is your tax collected by you from your different customers, and in that last column is your sales tax payable, which you have to submit to your sales tax agencies. Here QuickBooks is also offering you a drill down facility that if you will select any value, it will open a new dialog box which will tell you all the associated customers or invoices with that value. For example, here I will select on that sale, and now it was a taxable sale on which we have charged sales tax for Balochistan government, and it has only one customer, it's Mr. Iftikhar Taj, and we can even go in more detail. Yeah, now look at this, that it is an invoice for Mr. Iftikhar Taj in which he is paying us sales tax 10,960 rupees for Balochistan government, which is mentioned here. So the same thing was mentioned in your sales tax report. If we will go back, look at this amount, look at this customer has paid us tax for Balochistan government. So this is how our sales tax report works, and now we will learn that how to pay this sales tax to our government agencies. Just go back, and in the same section prepare and pay sales tax, you have to go pay sales tax. Here one of your bank accounts will be associated with that payment, and for this purpose I have already made a bank account which is cash in bank, and here you will have to select a date for that time period of which you have to pay the sales tax. I will select 17th April, and So the sales tax payable is 10,962 Balochistan government, 1,62,000 to FBR, 2,294 to Karachi district government, and 36,000 for Punjab government, and same 5,735 for Sindh government. So if I want to pay any of them, I have to check each entry. For example, I will place a check here, and the same amount 10,960 moves in the next bar, which is amount paid. Now I will select all these items, and the total amount of these sales tax are 2,17,879 rupees. And after deducting this whole amount from my bank balance, now my ending bank balance is nearly 8 million. So this is how we will pay our sales tax, and if I will select OK, my sales tax will be paid. And this is how it works. If we will go back to our sales tax liability report, go to 17th April, click refresh, and now you can see the sales tax liability payable column is totally zero. That means we have paid our all the sales tax payable. So it was all for today. Hope you liked the video, and please subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed yet. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.